Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 2x, we change by 4x minus 2x. Next, about x and x, we can do about factorization. This one we can do another factorization by negative number 2. X plus 4, x plus 4, we can do another factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus number 2, capital B over s plus 4. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 4, so capital A multiplied by s plus 4. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 2, so capital A multiplied by s minus number 2. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have ab. About the numbers, we have 4a minus 2b. Now we need to compare coefficients. About this one, we have number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. About the numbers, this one equals to number 16. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 1, 4a minus 2b equals to positive 16. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So a equals to number 3, b equals to negative number 2. And now we put a and b gone here. So a equals to number 3, b equals to negative number 2. Now the integration of this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 2. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 4, and I will put about c. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.